We can't believe that we're in year 4 with Post Consumer Brands, and to see the way it has grown to an event that now Post uses across the whole company is really, really exciting.
And we're just so excited to be back.
April is a really important month for us here at Post Consumer Brands. As National Volunteer Month, we wanted to make it our mission to combine the efforts that are happening across all of our sites.
It's really a great way to engage our team members and have them participate and be a part of something bigger.
Well, we are a food company, so feeding the entire family is part of our responsibility.
What I've really enjoyed seeing over the years is how we've incorporated pets in Ingredients for Good too, because they're a part of the family and we're able to build kits for them as well.
We need more cat food!
We use Post Consumer Brands as our poster child when we're out talking to some of our other corporate partners who have national footprints with multiple locations, and talk about how you can use something like volunteerism and a common cause to drive employee engagement and culture all throughout the company.
We have local coordinators at all of our sites that help support these projects, which is above and beyond their day-to-day duties. And so I just want to thank all of them especially, as well as thank all of the employees that show up each year, not just for Ingredients for Good, but efforts happening year-round.